Corporation of Sundarpur decided rupees 8 per square feet as development tax. If the landowner by Bhanu Prakash measure 50 feet into 30 feet, how much development tax will be paid? Same, we have to find the tax, the same method. Total land. Total land how much feet? 50 feet into 30 feet. That means 3 5s are 15 and 2 0. 1500 square feet of total land is there. Now what was the development charge? Development tax on 1 square feet equal rupees 8. What is the 1 square feet charge? That is rupees 8. And what is the total area? That is 1500. So development tax on 1500 square feet equal 1500 multiplied by 8. That is 12,000. That is rupees 12,000 the tax he has to pay. So development tax is rupees 12,000. Is it clear? Now see question number 6. Dinesh brings trucks of grain from other state for rupees 37,500. If 2.5% entry tax is paid on grain, how much entry tax would Dinesh pay? Same it is also, you have to find the tax. What it is given? Rate of entry tax. Rate of entry tax. How much it is? 2.5%. Since on rupees 100 entry tax equal rupees 2.5. Therefore, on rupees 37,500 entry tax equal 37,500 into 2.5 upon 100. Cancel this 0 0 0. Then you multiply 375 into 2.5. That will be rupees 937.50. As decimal is there, therefore it is 937.50. So what is the answer? So Dinesh would pay rupees 937.50 as entry tax. Now see question number 7. Gram Panchayat Adrina charges house tax of rupees 25 per house, and if there are 216 houses under the panchayat area, how much income will the village panchayat have through house tax? This is also same. Per house tax is rupees 25. There are 216 houses. What is the house tax? That's why you have to multiply 216 with 25. You will get what is the total house tax. How to write? Similar method. House tax on one house equal rupees 25. So how many houses are there? So house tax on 216 houses equal rupees 216 multiplied by 25. You multiply it, you will get rupees 5,400. So what is the answer? So Gram Panchayat will have rupees 5,400 as house tax. Is it clear? It is very easy. House tax on one house equal rupees 25. So house tax on 216 houses, rupees 216 into 25, that is rupees 5,400. So Gram Panchayat will have rupees 5,400 as house tax. See question number 8. The Indian government charges 11% production tax on tractor over the invested amount. If the tractor produced in a factory cost rupees 1,20,000, find out the production tax amount for per tractor. We have to find production tax for per tractor. What it is given? Production tax equal 11%. And what one more thing given? Factory cost rupees 1,20,000. If a factory produced, total production cost, total production cost equal 1 rupees 1,20,000. So what we have to find out? We have to find out production tax for per tractor. So production tax for per what things that is tractor equal 11 into 1,20,000 upon 100. Cancel this 0 0 0 0, then multiply 11 with 1,200. How much it will be? It will be rupees 13,200.